So good day. I'm here to discuss about tree traversal. Introduction. Tree data structure. A tree is a hierarchical data structure used to organize and represent data in a parent-child relationship. It consists of nodes, where the topmost node is called the root, and every other node can have one or more child nodes. So ang tree is a way to organize data like a family chart, and the root is a starting point, and every node can have children. Here are the terminology of tree. First is node. So each element is a tree called a node. It contains some data and may have reference to its child node. Then edge. An edge represents a connection between two nodes. So muna siya mura katong line sa pag-connect sa node. Then root. Muna siya ang the topmost node in the tree called the root node. And the parent node is a node that has one or more child. So ang parent kay na siya one or more than child nodes. Then child node is a node that has a parent node. Then siblings, nodes that share the same parent or same silang parent, like brother and sisters. Then left node is a node that does not have any child nodes. So wala na siya sumpay pa na node. Then internal nodes are nodes that have one or more child nodes. Ang height, the height of the tree is the length of the longest path from the root node to a leaf node. Ang depth, the depth node of a node is the length of the path from the root node to that particular node. So here's the example. So we can see that we have the gray color and green color. So we can see that 15 is the root of the tree, and we have a left child of root, which is 35, and the right child of root, which is 40. Then we can see the left nodes, which are color green, that has no children, which is ang 1, 10, 6, 9, 8, 4, 41, and 7. So, here is the height of tree. So we have a level here, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we can see here that the parent node is 35, and the children of node with value of 35 is 3 and 6. And same with the subtree node of 40. So here we can see that ancestors of node with value 3 and descendants of node with value 40. So we can see in this part that the edge between 15 and 40, which is the line, the path between 35 and 10. So here's the type of trees. Trees are fundamental data structure used to represent hierarchical relationships. This tutorial covers several key types of trees. So here are the several key types of trees, which is binary trees, binary search trees, and AVL trees. So first is binary trees. So each node has up to, to two children. So ang binary trees kay nasa up to two children na kay when we say binary, so two by the word by. So the left child node and the right child node. So this structure is the foundation for more complex tree types like binary search trees and AVL trees. Then the BST, which is binary search tree, a type of binary search tree where for each node, the left child node has a lower value. So, ang left child node ay permanent siya ang lower value. Then, ang the right child node has a higher value. Then, the IVL trees, a type of binary search tree has that self-balances so that for every node, difference is high in height between the left and the right subtrees is at most 1. So this balance is maintained through rotations when nodes are inserted or deleted. So here are the representation of binary tree. So each node of a binary tree has the following three parts. The first data, then pointer to the left child node, and pointer to the right child node. So binary search trees. A binary search tree is a binary tree that follows a specific ordering property. So for any node in the tree, the values of node in its left subtree are smaller. So we need to follow that the left subtree are smaller and the values of the nodes in its right subtree are larger. Then the AVL trees. So mauna siya ang BST that balances itself. Height difference between left and right child is never more than 1. So nag-use siya rotations to fix the imbalance. So here are the representation of binary trees. So there are two types of primary ways to represent binary trees. The linked node representation and array representation. So ang linked node representation in the linked list representation of a tree, each node contains a pointer to its first child. The siblings are linked together using a linked list. This representation allows for dynamic tree structures. So ang linked node representation, like each node points to its children. Then ang array representation. In the array representation of a tree, the nodes are stored in an array. The relationship between parent and child nodes can be determined using the indices. So ang array representation kay mag-use og indices para ma-determine niya. Yeah. For a node at index I, its left child is at index 2 times I plus 1, and its right child is at index 2 times I plus 2. So here are the conclusion. Trees are fundamental data structure used to represent hierarchical relationships between objects or data. They provide efficient operations for searching, inserting, and deleting elements. Understanding the terminology, types of trees, universal algorithms, and different representations. Techniques is crucial for effectively utilizing trees in programming. So this guide covered the definition of trees, terminology associated with trees, various types of trees including binary trees, balanced trees, binary search tree, AVL trees, red, black trees, B trees, and tries. It also discussed tree traversal algorithms such as reorder and post order, and level order. Additionally, it covered different tree representation techniques, including array link list, parent pointer, and child sibling representations references. So let's continue to binary search tree. operation. The binary search tree is a type of binary tree data structure in which each node contains a unique key and satisfies specific ordering properties. All nodes in the left subtree of the node contains values strictly less than the node value. So all nodes in the left subtree is less than the node's value, and all nodes in the right subtree is greater than the node's value. So here are the example of concept diagram. So we can see that the main node or top level node is 11 and has left and right subtrees, which is 7 and 12. So the right subtrees has 12 and the left subtree has valueless 7. Then the right subtree has value greater than the node, so 12 is greater than 11. So mas dako man si 12 kaysa ni 11. So ato siya ibutang diri sa right. And then mas gamay man si 7 kaysa ni 11. So ato siya ibutang sa left. So this value cannot be 8 or 9 or 10 because then it will be greater than 7, hence not fulfilling the condition of a left subtree. So we can see that the value of 5, kaya mas maggamay man si 5, so ato siya ibutang sa left. Then ang 9 is mas dako man ang value, mas dako man ang 9 kontra sa 7, so ato siya ibutang sa right. And so on so forth. Same for the right side 3 of 12. So here are the insertion and deletion in binary search trees. Insertion and deletion are important operations in binary search trees to add and remove nodes while maintaining the binary search tree property. So an insertion, given the root of binary search tree, insert a new node given value in BST. So note that all the nodes have distinct value in the BST and the new values to be inserted is not present in BST. So ang insertion is sa BST is maka-allow ka to add og value. So we can start at the root. So our root is 100. So if the new value, so we can like for example here we can mag-insert ang 40. So if the new value is smaller, go to left. If a bigger, go to right. So ato button is ato check if bigger ba or smaller ang ato insert. So 100 is, so ang 40 is gamay man siya kanta sa 100. So ato siya go to left. Then i-compare na pud nato if ang 20 is mas dako siya sa or gamay sa 40. So 40 40 is greater than sa 20 man. So we can go to right. And then check na po nato if ang 30 is greater than 40. So we can go to right also. So that is the final insertion of a 40, value of 40. So how to insert a value in the binary search tree. So mao pa to ko giingon ganina na we can start from the root and move downward to up. So if the key is smaller, go to left. If if dako man siya larger is og value, go to right. So we continue until we find an occupied spot where the node can be placed without violating the nested property. Insert it there as a new leaf. So here's deletion. So given the root of binary search tree and an integer x, delete the node with the value x from the BSD while maintaining the BSD property. So here is a sample of node has one child left or right child. So if ang target node has one only child lang, we can remove the node and it connect its parent directly to its only child o we can directly connect lang if usa lang ang iyang child. So this way that tree remains valid after deletion of the target node. So here are the example. So we can see that considering the following best. So atong i-delete is ang node 70, ang value na 70. So step 2, i-compare na to siya with the root node since kay 50 is smaller than sa 70 move the pointer to the right child. Then comparing the k with the right child root node. So compare nato. So we found that the k node 70. Kung siya ang node na 70 na ato i-delete. So node 70 have only one child. So ang 70 na siya usa ka child which is ang 60. Then ato lang siya i-delete ang node na 70 and return sa 10. Like directly na siya mukan kay it's only one child man. So if it has two children, replace it with another suitable node, usually the smallest in the right subtree. Tree balancing and self-balancing binary search tree. Certain scenario, binary search trees can become unbalanced, leading to inefficient search and reversal operations. Tree balancing techniques aim to maintain a balanced structure in a binary search tree, ensure optimal performance. To commonly used self-balancing binary search tree are AVL trees and red block trees. So, an AVL tree is a bestie that balances itself. So, ang rule niya is the height difference between left and right subtrees of any node can't be more than 1. So this keeps the trees efficient. Like then the red block tree is another type of self-balancing BST. So each node is colored red or black. So the rules here is root is always black, no two red nodes in a row. So every path from the root to leaf has the same number of black nodes. So this rules the tree balance. The binary search tree use these in applications. So first is efficient searching, like finding a word in a dictionary. So binary search tree provides a fast look. So dali na siya ma-search. Then range queries. Binary search tree enable range queries by performing an order traversal within specific values range. So finding all values between x and y, then implementing associative arrays. So binary search tree can be used to implement key-value storage structure. So like a map or dictionary in programming, uh, makas kuan, maka-implement and store siya. Then database indexing, binary search tree are used to index and search data efficiently in databases. So sa database indexing is quickly finding records. Dali ra siya ma, Then autocomplete functionality, binary search tree can be used to store and search for words or phrases efficiently. So, autocomplete siya, searching words efficiently. So here are the conclusion. So we can proceed to the binary tree traversal. So ang binary tree traversal, so this topic is about how we visit all the nodes in a binary tree in different orders. So binary trees are fundamental data structure in computer science and understanding. Their traversal is crucial for various applications. Traversing binary tree means visiting all the nodes in a specific order. So there are several traversal methods, so each with its unique application and benefits. This article will explore the main types of binary tree traversal in order, pre-order, post-order, and level order. So ang in-order is, given the root of the binary tree, return to the in-order traversal of the binary tree. So ang in-order tree is method traverse a tree such that for each node you first traverse its left subtree, then visit the node itself, and finally traverse its right subtree. So first, imo traverse ka dito sa left subtree, and then i-visit mo ang node from itself, and then finally pwede na ka mo traverse adto padung sa right subtree. So we can see that nata example dire, no? The traversal will go from 1 to left sub 3, then from 2 to its left sub 3 root 4. Now 4 has no left sub 3. O what am I? Left sub 3 ang 4. So it will be visited. It also does not have any right sub 3, so no more traversal from 4. So as the left sub 3 of 2, no initial traverse from the root. So mag-una ta sa left. Okay, mo man ni ang siya ang in order na process. So as the left subtree of 2 is visited completely, now it visits node 2 before moving to the right subtree. So the traverse order. So nagsugod yung 2. Then gi gi-visit ni ang node itself, which ang 2. Then now the right subtree of 2 will be traversed, move to node 5. So node 5, there is no left subtree, so it gets visited, and after that the reversal comes back because there's no right subtree of node 5. So ni-move siya sa 5, node 5, kaya ang node 5 kay wa naman siya left subtree, so na, na-visit siya, then after that i-traverse come back because wa naman siya wa naman left subtree ang kuan, ay there's no right subtree, wa na right subtree ang node 5. So i-visit na ang 5 mo na, and then as the left subtree of node 1 is completely visited, the root itself, so node 1 will be visited. Kaya wala naman tayo ma-traverse dire sa left subtree. Then, left subtree of node 1 and the node itself is visited. So now the right subtree of 1 will be traversed, move to node 3. So node 3 has no left subtree, so it's get visited. O wala may. So ang left subtree sa node 1 and the node itself is visited. So now the right subtree of 1 will be traversed, move to node 3. As node 3 kaya man siya yung left subtree, so it gets visited. Then the left subtree of node and the node itself visited. So traverse to the right subtree, visit node 6. Okay, what may left, left ang 3. So, ito now traverse ends as all the nodes are traversed. So, muna siya in order, ang order sa traversal. So, 4, 2, 5, 1, 3, 6 na pre-order. So, given the root of the binary tree, return to the pre-order traversal of the binary tree. Pre-order traversal is a method to traverse a tree such that for each node, you first visit the node itself, then traverse its left subtree, and finally traverse its right subtree. So we can see the sample here. So first we need to visit the root, which is 1. Then go to left. Again, visit 4, back to 2, back to 2, then go to right, and visit the 5, then back to the root, and then go to right, visit the 3, and node 3's right child, visit the 6. So, ang sa pre-order kay mag-una ta sa first ang node ang first, then traverse yan to the left of 3 and finally traverse to the right. Kaya ang kanina kay mag-una man ta sa left. Yeah. Ang in order kay mag-una siya sa left sub 3. While ang pre-order kay mag-una siya sa node itself. So here are the pre-order traversal of nodes is 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6. Then ang post order, given a root of the binary tree, return the post order traversal of the binary tree. So post order traversal is a method to traverse a tree such that for each node you first traverse its left subtree then its right subtree. So ang sa post order mag-una ta og visit sa mag-una first mag-traverse sa left subtree then adopt then sa its sa right subtree pod and then finally visit the node itself. So in this example, we go to left, then node 2, then left, then node 4, visit 4. So we're going back to 2, going right, then node 5. So na-visit na nato si 5. Now visit the 2, visit the node 2 and back to the root. Yeah, back to the root, then we go to right, node 3, then right, node 6. So visit na ang 6. Then visit the node 3. Okay, mag-back man ta sa atong node itself. Then finally visit the root which is on 1. So ang final order ani is 5 4 5 2 6 3 1. Muna siya ang sa pre-order, post-order. So ang binary tree operations, insertion, mara ko gingon gi-discuss ganina how to insert a new node in a binary tree. We need to follow this step. Yeah, if the tree is empty, create a new node and make it the root. Otherwise, traverse the tree to find the appropriate position for the new node. If the current node has available left child, insert the new node as the left child. While if the current node has an available right child, insert the new node as the right child. So, mag-repeat lang sa steps 3 and 4 until na ang new node is insert na siya. Then, ang deletion, may discuss ganina, deleting a node from a binary tree involves 3 different cases. We need to delete a leaf node. Deleting a left node, simply kayo remove lang sa node. I mean, simply remove the node from the tree. Then deleting a node with one child, replace the node with its child. Para katong sample ganina, i-replace lang siya directly dito sa root. Then deleting a node with two children, so find the unordered successor or predecessor, replace the node with it, and delete the successor or predecessor node. This searching. To search for a specific value in a binary tree, we follow these steps. So first, start at the root node. So if the current node is null siya or nag-contain siya desired value, mo return ta sa current node. And if the desired value niya is less than the current node's value, mo move padung sa left child. Then, if the desired value is greater than the current node's value, mo move padung sa right child. So, i-repeat lang gapon ni siya na steps 2 to 4 until match is found or that the tree is fully traversed. So, here the properties and terminologies. Terminology. So, muna itong root, ganina ang pinaka-topmost root. Pinaka-ibabaw, murag, ano siya, starting point. Then, ang leaf is a node that does not have any children. Murag, ano siya, simpay pa, wala siya children. Then, the parent, left child, right child. Ang parent node is a node that has one or two children nodes. So, left child is a node to the left of the parent, and the right child is the node to the right of the parent. And then internal node is a node that has at least one child. So, muna siya, para ka child. Also known as an interior node in the height and the depth. Then the height of a binary tree is the length of the longest path from the root to a leaf node. And depth of the node is the length of the path from the root node to that particular node. So the conclusion of this topic is, so the binary trees are powerful because they organize data efficiently, allow different traversal methods for different tasks, support insertion, deletion, and searching, then have a clear properties that make them easy to understand. So that's all for tree traversal discussion. Thank you. Thank